in a public broadcast yesterday, 21st February 2025, Virgin publicly narrated in Enugu State how the program that he planned with millions of naira was almost sabotaged by his own enemies. Before the multitude of thousands of people, Baby Virgin narrated to the indigenes of Enugu State how a program he planned for long was almost sabotaged by his enemies, that the stadium was even locked up till the morning 21st February 2025. But one thing is very interesting in that story of Baby Virgin. While one Virgin was narrating the whole incident, how they were running helter-skelter, one Virgin told us that as at of 12 a.m. in the night of that 21st February, one Virgin called Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo and told the man, please, we are locked outside, help us to call your colleague, Governor Mba, to open the door for us. Governor Charles Soludo was delaying in response. Instead, he sent the number of Governor Mba to him so that the man can call him himself. One Virgin told us again that he called Governor Hope Uzodinma and told Governor Hope Uzodinma, we are locked outside, please call your colleague for us to open the door for us. One Virgin told us that he called the Senate President Akpabio. In that live broadcast, One Virgin mentioned 4 governors, that he called 4 governors and different Senate before they were able to receive an order to open the stadium for them. One Virgin was locked out in Enugu from his place of program, and One Virgin did not call Holy Ghost. He did not call any supernatural fire, Holy Ghost fire, and Ejafummo could not open the stadium. There was no amount of prophecy. The power of the triple heaven of Etekwele could not open the stadium. Mother Mary could not open the stadium. Could not open the stadium. No, sir.
Why is that anything concerning Evangelist Ebuka Obi is always different? Why is that people always tackle this man called Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Yeah, the type of tackling people are tackling Evangelist Ebuka Obi is too much. Yes, because I can't see the reason why some people, some of our Igbo brother, in daily basis, they are against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. In which way have Evangelist Ebuka Obi offended you people? In which way? Well, I don't have much thing to say about this video, but I will allow people to watch this video and see what this young guy, what this young man is saying about Evangelist Ebuka Obi, castigating him. But no matter what people are castigating Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the more people castigate Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the more Evangelist Ebuka Obi is going far in his ministry. Yes, Evangelist Ebuka Obi bụ Igbo achara na-eto. Just pay attention on this video. But please, when you're watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Chaplet and scapula, Emepengulo Stadium. No one was called at that moment. Governors of Anambra State, governor of Imo State, different 4 governors and Senate President was called for that place to be opened. And yet, Wamugu from Okunana Tebugu that have the same exact problem that the government will solve is going for one Baby Virgin program to receive his own healing. Now from breast cancer, that have breast cancer, that in the world that is working today, government is the solution that avails such a woman immediate treatment. Later they will be deducting it from the salary of the workers. Everybody pays insurance in a working government area, so that when anybody gets sick, government automatically avails them healing. But Nwokobo is carrying his sick mother to Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium yesterday so that One Virgin will heal him. Meanwhile, One Virgin is calling Governor Soludo to come and heal his own problem. Kalabara silabrahado lebrahaze lebrahado ya. It's negadi believe for life because Namma Boyegishi. All the cook of men who know Tunisia Wupa. One Virgin was locked out on 21st of February 2025. He did audition program. Audition program could not open a stadium. He couldn't open the stadium. He called governors, practical reality. He called the government of the day, those who are the real God in existence in this part of the world. The same government of the day is the solution to that young music student to go to school. The same dad that is calling Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo even said it on stage that the whole post of the map will Jesus wasn't okay Jemba. Mother Mary who is a man to speak when God have not spoken? Whatever we bind on earth will be bound in heaven. A protester don't get it. Your spiritual key. Over governors to come and open it. Meanwhile, Rumu Togo is trusting on your power to come and heal their own problem that government should be the solutions to. The Enugu state with hole in the heart at the spot because of no treatment. In a poor society, religion will always thrive. Ebuka of men, that young guy get the highest quality Nigerian foreign standard rice and Nigerian foreign standard yam at the highest quality and cheapest price. On the lake, I can 50 kg for 51,000 naira. Malabra. Yeah, but people can my calling. Also, my son, go into the world and solve hunger in Africa. We do better agriculture. We look all Apple. We let 10,000 bags of rice in the space of 2 months of miracle. Practically, anything can do. Number 080 622 92667. Why Elijah Enugu na one baby page in can video. One video want to put a site now with a ministry in Enugu too. And that is the whole thing they are fighting. Elijah and the one page. You are going to watch cinema now. PDP and APC. Oh, book of men. Number 080 622 9266. If I'm not phone, call them. Come virgin. And then go. If I'm not phone, nature ego G or nature ego rice or nature ego man. Thank you so much.